is this place, right?
Oh, yeah.
친구예요? 네. 한국말 다 할 수 있어요? 네. 와.
친구로 지금 하시죠. I mean, it's good. I understand you, so it's good. Hey.
I am so sorry. 괜찮아. 죄송합니다.
아니요.
죄송합니다.
너무 잘해. 아이돌.
한국말 할 수 있어요.
한국말.
다들 한국말 할 수 있어요.
얼마나
다들.
배웠어요? How long have you been studying?
알았어. 근데 지금은 5년? 지금 6년?
진짜요?
네. 선생님도 있었어요.
그러면 잉글리시.
안녕하세요.
조금
여러분.
할수 있어요. 한국말.
Okay, do the vlog. I'm so
Yeah,
sorry.
do the
I'm
vlog. Don't be
just
sorry.
a bitch one.
I like
I'm so
this
sorry.
situation.
I already
미안해.
went to 서주.
미안해.
제발 나는 둘 서주에 있었어요.
I'm ready. I'm gonna.
So what was the question? 죄송합니다. 지금
question 아니고.
죄송합니다.
아니에요. 너무 잘생겼어요. 커플?
No.
Sorry.
Best friends. I'm pansexual. Do you know what is that? Pansexual is like. Oh, you know that. Wait, you're single. Be honest, because I can tell you if you like. I can tell if you like.
He's trying to hide his smile.
Wait.
Okay, don't detect him. Don't detect him.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to protect her.
From what? I can fight men.
Yeah, that's true.
My last
She's like second.
My last relationship ended almost 7 or 8 years ago.
Wow.
Wait, how? Yeah.
Secret.
Wait, can I guess it? Can I guess it? Wait a minute. I'm so sorry,
27.
but I need some light. Okay, visual. Okay, it's giving.
For sure more than 25.
Yeah, more than 25.
No.
25.
27.
How old?
28. 30.
I'm 23.
3.
Yeah.
22.
3 cheers.
And you?
Age doesn't matter between
Oh, you're 30?
아니요.
I will.
No, he looks young, so serving face. Sorry.
Okay. Do one pose that you comfortable with. When like people take picture of yourself, just try to
Do a pose.
Yeah. What do you do?
What do you
do? Just imagine I'm taking a picture. Okay, you're fucking 35. You're
Okay.
You're 35. No, you're You're 38.
How old were you when HOT was something?
HOT?
Yeah.
You know?
Yes.
Of course, I know as well.
Sorry, we're the one interviewing.
That's okay. That's period. That's hot. Mate.